DJI has officially stepped into the mirrorless camera space, and the excitement around this debut is massive. Known for dominating drones, gimbals, and action cameras, DJI is now ready to take on some of the biggest names in photography and filmmaking. But the real question is, can they pull it off? When we think of industry giants like Sony, Canon, or Nikon, it's hard to imagine a newcomer shaking things up. Yet DJI has built a reputation for bold risks and game-changing innovations, and this launch feels no different. In today's deep dive, we'll explore every detail, from design and performance to stabilization, image quality, and DJI's vision for a complete creative ecosystem. Stick around, because if DJI gets this right, it could completely redefine what we expect from a mirrorless system. Welcome to Gadgetverse. Let's dive in. DJI's first mirrorless camera isn't just another gadget, it's a statement. One of its rumored highlights is impressive power management, offering up to 2 hours of 4K recording on a single charge. Add fast USB-C charging and even hot swappable batteries, and suddenly this camera looks like a workhorse for creators shooting all day. Accessories also seem to play a big role. Talk of modular grips, ND filters, and even an optional battery extension pack suggests DJI is aiming to make this system flexible and creator-friendly. Now, autofocus. This is where DJI could surprise everyone. A hybrid phase detection system paired with advanced AI subject recognition means smooth, accurate tracking, whether it's people, objects, or fast-moving action. With intelligent face and eye detection, DJI is positioning itself as a real rival to Sony's legendary autofocus systems, and of course, stabilization. DJI's expertise here is unmatched, and rumors of a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system enhanced by their gimbal technology could mean handheld footage that's smoother than ever. No gimbal required. Imagine walking with a camera and still getting professional-grade shots. That's a true game-changer. In terms of design, reports suggest a magnesium alloy body that's lightweight yet durable, with weather sealing, customizable controls, and even a top LCD display. Sleek, minimal, but functional, very much in line with DJI's design language from their Ronin and Osmo series. Image quality is another big talking point. A full-frame sensor, possibly developed with Hasselblad, could deliver cinematic color science, excellent low-light performance, and over 14 stops of dynamic range. Video shooters may get 6K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, along with pro features like log profiles, LUT support, and waveform monitoring. But what really makes this launch exciting is ecosystem integration. Imagine wireless video transmission straight to a monitor, seamless Ronin compatibility, and maybe even drone support. If DJI can pull this off, it won't just be a camera, it'll be part of a complete creative workflow. Overall, DJI's move into the mirrorless world feels like more than just another launch. It's a bold attempt to rewrite the rules, blending stabilization, imaging, and smart technology into one system. For hybrid creators, vloggers, and indie filmmakers, this could be the perfect bridge between portability and cinema-grade performance. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and tech insights. Stay creative, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.